Discuss the downstream signaling pathways after binding of insulin with insulin receptor. Endocrine disrupting chemicals. Short and long-term side effects of growth hormone therapy in a subject with growth hormone deficiency. Neuroendocrine regulation of prolactin secretion. Methods for measurement of free hormones. Sample size calculation for a drug intervention study for type 2 diabetes. Principle and interpretation of water deprivation test. Management of newly married 24-year-old lady with galactorrhea and amenorrhea of 3-month duration with serum prolactin level of 110 nanogram per ml. Gamma knife therapy for pituitary tumors. Evaluation of a case of acromegaly, biochemical diagnostic evaluation and evaluation of associated complications. Differentiation between pseudo-Cushing's state and Cushing's syndrome, biochemical differentiation. Discuss lifestyle management advice to a 32-year-old lady with recently diagnosed type 2 diabetes. Fasting blood glucose of 160 mg per deciliter, HbA1c 7.5%, blood pressure of 146 by 92 mm of mercury. Discuss factors affecting absorption of thyroxine. Drugs affecting the metabolism of thyroxine. Management of 18-year-old boy suspected to have hypoparathyroidism. Serum calcium 6.4 mg per deciliter. Serum phosphate 7.4 mg per deciliter. Discuss adverse events and complications associated with the use of SGLT2 inhibitor drugs in type 2 diabetes. Diagnosis and treatment of cerebral edema during treatment of diabetic ketoacidosis in type 1 diabetes. Discuss the probable reasons for high incidence and prevalence of type 2 diabetes in India. Evaluation of a suspected case of primary hyperaldosteronism. Management of a case of 45-year-old gentleman with serum calcium of 15.5 mg per deciliter with serum intact PTH 2.1 picogram per ml. Tabulate the side effect and complication of following drugs used in management of osteoporosis: teriparatide, zoledronic acid, denosumab. Androgen receptor, its ligand, and post-receptor signaling mechanism. Discuss induction of puberty in a 15-year-old girl with hypogonadotropic hypogonadism. Therapeutic option for treatment of polycystic ovary disease. Indication of treatment in a 15-day-old newborn, weight 4.2 kg, diagnosed to have primary hypothyroidism, TSH more than 500 MIU per liter, and follow-up management during first year of life. Discuss plan of evaluation in a 35-year-old man with impotence. Mechanism controlling normal puberty induction. Sick euthyroid syndrome and indication for starting treatment. Discuss utility of genetic studies in a newborn diagnosed to have congenital adrenal hyperplasia with 17-hydroxyprogesterone level of more than 100 nanogram per ml. Factors controlling testis determination in bipotential gonad during fetal life. Newer treatment options for thyroid associated ophthalmopathy.